First of all, actually this whole trip would never happen without the help of GoPro and also Tourism Malaysia. So thank you so much to you, everyone here that helped us, that actually made us explore Malacca in a different perspective. So before we share a little bit, because we actually studied there in Lindu for about 4 years, so safe to say that we've actually sort of ventured out around Malacca. But this time around, with GoPro, we've actually get to see somewhat the other side of Malacca that that we actually haven't seen before.
Okay.
So for example, like the food in the Jonker Street area. So some of the foods that GoPro brought us, we were like, oh, we didn't know that this place was here. Like some of the Baba Nyonya recipes and the food, it was just like such an amazing experience. So.
You must love food a lot, I think.
Yes, about food, I talk a lot about it.
So, how about you, Agili? What did you experience new, shall I say, in Malacca?
Flyboard.
Flyboard?
Yeah,
Wow, yeah.
I've never done flyboarding before, and that was the first experience I had.
Right.
All thanks to GoPro and Tourism Malaysia for having us on board.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it so much.
Awesome. For you guys who don't know what flyboard is, it's being like Iron Man like that. But on water,
it's like flying on water.
Flying on water.
Yeah.
Okay. One word to describe Malacca. Akid, go. One word to describe Malacca. Kejap lagi laksa
That's
lah,
kinda hard.
cendol lah. One word.
It's adventurous.
Adventurous. Okay. Agili.
I would go for extravaganza.
Extravaganza.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Nice. Have you seen the video before?
We actually got a little sneak peek.
You got a little sneak peek?
Yes.
You know what? The world has yet to see it. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Dream Malaysia, Malacca. I realized that there were lots of things that you guys were doing in KL, Selangor and Putrajaya, right? So what are the things that you experienced, shall I say, new things that you experienced? Go.
Okay, hi everybody, my name is Kai. Okay, so I've been raised in KL since I was 1 year old. I moved from Johor, okay? So anyway, in KL, my first experience, most special memory that I have is the bamboo rafting. Bamboo rafting. Anyone in KL? So I've never imagined that I even got sunburn, in KL. Usually I get sunburn in the beach, right? So that was the most memorable experience that I had.
Nice. How about you, Charlene?
I did like
ATV?
camping,
Wow.
and like the river trekking.
Wow.
In one side.
In one?
In one place. I can't really imagine that I can travel to one place and experience all the activities.
Nice. In one place. And that all took in KL, Selangor and Putrajaya, yeah?
I know, right? At first, when I see my itinerary, I was like, KL? I'm from KL. What else I haven't experienced before?
Yes.
And why did you go to KL,
But it was so fun. Oh my God, guys, so fun.
Okay, one word to describe these three places. Here we go. Charlene was the girl that goes, hey, it's real honey, in the video.
Yeah, that's why I'm from the kampong and come out to the city, but actually I stay in city. That means a lot of hidden gem here.
Yeah.
So one word.
One word. There are very lot of words already.
I will say zero.
Zero?
Yes.
Why zero?
We have to explore KL, Selangor, Putrajaya, start from zero again.
Wow. Nice one, Charlene. Nice one. Okay, Kai. What's your word?
Fun. Fun. Yeah. It's,
That's 2 words, oh.
no, fun.
Fun.
Fun, just fun.
Okay, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of fun that we'll be seeing. But ladies and gentlemen, first time ever, Kuala Lumpur, Selangor, Putrajaya. There you have it! KL divers. That's right. So Tioman's a really good place, right? But is there anything new that you experienced in Tioman that you never thought would have in Tioman? Here we go.
Okay,
Yvonne.
so I'll start first?
Yep.
Yeah, so I actually tried surfing for the first time in Tioman.
Okay.
I didn't think that I would be able to do that. Actually, I didn't think that that kind of activity existed.
Right.
Or maybe because I didn't explore enough.
Mhm.
So thankfully that I got to be on this trip and I discovered more.
Yeah.
And I actually got more than I bargained for. So that was really amazing.
Oh, nice. Okay, I want to change the question for Ling Yan. Okay? Ate, everybody knows that you're an avid diver. Nearly every license also you got.
Yes,
Yes.
I have my rescue license, I have my master scuba license, I have my free diving license. I'm a diver for more than 17 years, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why go back to Tioman to dive?
Because I'm a Pahang girl, I'm born there, I must support my state, you know. If not, wait, the tourism board, the statistic come up, Pahang no people go, then I malu lah. Because I'm a Pahang person, I must support my own country.
Yeah! Good answer. Okay, Sian, I saw you went, surfing. That's right, in Tioman, in Juara Beach. And for you guys who don't know, this is currently the ending of the surfing season in Tioman. We have big waves in Tioman, yeah, during the monsoon. Sian, when you did surfing, how was that experience?
To be honest, I'm the only one. 3 of us did it. I'm the only one who actually fall down from the board. But yes, I got basah. I am super wet from head to toe. But it was a very nice experience.
Oh, nice. Okay, ladies, one word to describe Tioman. Yvonne.
Exhilarating.
Right. Zed.
Wet. Very wet. Very, very wet. You basah, you fall down, you basah, you go wherever, waterfall, also basah.
Also
You
basah.
dry basah, so in the
But
end
okay,
also-
what? The dry basah is an okay dry basah?
Yeah, it's a very sexy dry basah.
Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Sian.
Hot.
Hot.
Yes.
So
Raining also hot, whatever was